right, friends, to get started on replacing our wiper arm assembly here, what we want to do is come to this plastic and pull it straight up like this. That exposes the nut. We're going to remove this 12mm nut. Pull that right off of there. A lot of times you should be able to grab onto the arm, give it a little wiggle, and it might want to break free. It's going to go ahead and lift up on this, give it a nice little wiggle, and it should break free. Now the next thing you would want to do is clean up this threaded area here. You can use a nice wire brush. Make sure you don't see any corrosion or buildup inside there. You could, of course, coat it with something that's going to make it so it prevents the corrosion from building up again. After you've done that, let's go ahead and clean down this window. Now it's going to be time to install our brand new wiper arm here. We want to pay special attention to the glass. You're going to find that there's a little dot. We'll go ahead and line this up. Line up the end of the wiper arm / blade with the dot. Start your nut on there and snug it up. Okay, it's bottomed out. Just going to give it a teeny bit more. We don't want to go ahead and break anything. Close that up, make sure it doesn't move, and then test it out. Perfect.